I'm Anna and I'm here for Storytime with Bear. Now tell me, have you ever seen a snorkel? No, I haven't seen a snorkel either, but I really would like to know what a snorkel looks like. And today's story is called The Great Snortle Hunt. And I think if we look at the cover, look, there's the snorkel's foot. The Great Snortle Hunt by Claire Freedman, with thanks to Simon and Schuster Press. On a hill bumpy steepy, there's a house scary, creepy, and it's said that a snorkel lives there. Now nobody's been, so nobody's seen, but Mouse whispers, "Come on, if you dare." As soon as it's dark, they meet in the park. Mouse says, "Snortles love moonlit nights." Between them they take a torch, rope and cake, for snortles have a huge appetite. It's scarily still as they creep up the hill. Mouse whispers, "Shh, cat, no more talking." "Don't tell me to hush, it's from behind us." "Do you think that the snorkel's out walking?" "That's silly," says Mouse. "He'll be holding his house. There's no one but me and you two." "Oh, I'm sure something's here," Dog stutters in fear. Then suddenly someone calls, "Ooh!" The three of them jump. Cat drops her torch, thump, as Rabbit leaps out from the trees. "Ah, phew! Rabbit, it's you, and not you know who," says Rabbit. "Can I join you, please?" The wind whistles. Eek, the tall branches creak. They lift up the latch to the gate. Dog gulps. "If we wake him, all angry we'll make him." Mouse laughs. "Snortles go to bed late." The doors open wide, so they all creep inside. Cat warns, "Wait, this could be a trap." "Let's scarper," they cry, but there's no time to try, as the door bangs shut tight with a snap. The torch splutters. Foot. Now it's blacker than soot. Dog squeaks, "Oh, we have nowhere to flee." Mouse whispers, "Look, there's a dim light up at the stairs. And now that we're here, we must go and see." They climb to the top, then they come to a stop. They're dreading just what they might find. It says keep out, for the growls, roar, and the groans, roar, and the strange gurgly moans are the horribly snorkely kind. Their hearts beat boom, boom, boom as they creep in the room. On the bed sleeps a monster huge shape. Cat gasps, "Oh, he's enormous. He's stirring. Oh, he saw us." Before he wakes up, let's escape. Oh, look at them. Climbing down, they scramble outside. Down the drain pipe they slide. It swings with a shuddering shake. The drain pipe's too old. It's not going to hold, and the snorkel is now wide awake. He's coming! They shout as a hand reaches out, all hairy with horrible claws. His eyes have a gleam like nothing they've seen. "What are you all doing?" he roars. The snortles so near, they're frozen with fear. Cat quivers and Mouse gives a yell. "Oh, no!" "Oi!" he growls. They're jumping. Whee! Whee! Boing! On the snortle's tummy. "I'm not mean. I'm a huge trampoline. Glad my fat hairy tummy can help." The very next day, the snortle, hooray, invites them all over for tea. Says Mouse, "Snortles tend to make super friends." And for once, they all laugh and agree. I really like that story. See you next time. Bye.